Corona is also a disease which is worldwide. But let us think that we must fight the battle unitedly, togetherly, and we are sure that if everybody is strong, if everybody is confident, this is the time. This is not the time for business. This is not the time for any criticism. This is the time for cooperation between one to another, and this is the time. Let us. I will request the central government also to supply the kits. That is not coming. Number 2, the proper guidelines. Number 3, the labs. We are not getting the permission. Only we have 2 labs. Even India, if I know correctly, there are only 74 labs throughout the country. Because earlier this disease was not there. But now 10 days, 15 days, 20 days are over. It is 2 weeks and now we are running 3rd week, I think so. So we must supply the gloves. We have ordered. When we didn't receive anything, then we have ordered from our state government also. Our MSME sector, the small scale industry sector, they are preparing the hand gloves, they are preparing the ventilator, even they are preparing the mask, protective with these measures and this thermal gun and this everything, whatever we feel. Even we have ordered 300 ventilator machines. It is including the mobile machine also. And there is one machine very important. It is ECMO that clear the lungs also. That also we ordered today. And we have created some funds for this. And we convey our thanks to all the private sector and government sector also, especially the doctors. They are working day and night. My sisters, they are working day and night. The health workers, they are working day and night. Our conservancy workers, they are working day and night. My ASHA workers, ICDS workers, all are working day and night. And press media is also doing. Police is also doing. So we have extended our life insurance to 10 lakhs, this type of health people, so that 5 lakhs rupees for their insurance, and it will be extended to the private sector also, the hospital related one.
Didi, international bodies.
After one question more, and that is in private hospitals, and there are so many people here today, is treatment going to be free? That is a critical question.
I appeal to them that if necessary, government will spare the money. But please go free test for the patients who are positive and if they come for test. So we can share between the government and the private hospital. So people should not. They are agreed. I think all the people, they are agreed. Rajiv, they are agreed. Everybody is agreed on that. Because this is a very touchy issue. Now the money is not required. We require the treatment and the proper guidelines.
The international agencies have also criticized India not expanding its testing facility. We just have, as you rightly mentioned, couple of 70 of them, and ICMR has not made it clear whether there would be any expansion on that or not.
At this moment, I will not criticize my country, India, because India is my motherland. If there is any lacking or any deficiency, I'll tell the Prime Minister, or we will tell the Health Secretary, or the Home Secretary, or the Cabinet Secretary. That mechanism we'll use. I think tomorrow Prime Minister is also doing one video conferencing with the Chief Minister after the nation address. So if I get the scope, I will raise this issue. Even they are not supplying any kits also. That is our problematic area. What we can do? Already we ordered the hand gloves, we ordered the mask, we ordered the protective, all the system. We ordered the extra 300 ventilator. We ordered the ECMO machine. Everything. Even ICDS midday meal, we are sending the packet to the family so that they can give the food to the children also. We are taking all care. But my appeal would be to the government of India that please send us the details guidelines, proper guidelines, lab facilities, kits, and the necessary the instruments. Sometimes they say yes we will help, full help करेंगे, लेकिन बाद में कुछ नहीं आता है तो उसके डिजास्टर हो जाता है ना। बुलबुल का डिजास्टर में से उन्होंने कहा था कि हम लोग पूरा मदद करेंगे, एक भी पैसा नहीं है। अभी हमारा पैसा का जरूरत नहीं है। आई थिंक सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट मस्ट हेल्प द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट along with infrastructure facilities, along with lab, along with kids, along with infrastructure, along with test facilities, and more because Bengal is a density population. And number 2, that I have 3 borders, foreign borders. I have Calcutta is the gateway of northeastern India. Please don't forget, it's a very, 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 very sensitive area. And from China to Kolkata, this is North Bengal, it is Arunachal, and the Sikkim and North Bengal, the chicken leg, it is just only 20 kilometers, 20 minutes, even Kalimpong also. So I will request that if after death comes a doctor, there will be no gain. So I will appeal. I cannot criticize my country now, I cannot criticize my government now, but I can appeal and I can exercise what is required, what is not.
So how many kids do we have in Bengal? I mean, do we have enough?
That depends on, they are not sending, that is the problem. Only 2 labs we have. But in so many states, only 1 lab. We have 2 labs. Our facilities are everything ready. We ask for 4 labs, another 4 labs. The Siliguri, the Bardhaman, the Midnapur and Jungle Mahal. 4 labs, because we are ready. And if they send us, we will be very happy.
Ma'am, airport screening.
Why you are asking me this question? Whatever we have decided.
Ma'am, airport screening, do you think the airport screening thing has been foolproof?
No, I don't think. I should not tell all this, but no, it is not. Otherwise, how these people? They came, they have gone everywhere, and it is human touch. I appeal all the people that please see that we have to be hard. That you are standing just nearest. You don't do it. You are the human being.